Alok ng sigwa't unos, may para lang itinayo para sa bagong bukas. School of Peace and Democracy, tanglaw ng bayan, tumutulong bumuo ng payapang kinabukasan.
Today, we gather not just mark the ending of the 7th batch of School Peace and Democracy de Bangsamoro classes, but to celebrate a new beginning as we honor the 350 transition combatants in the MLFBF who have completed the SPD-B program. We recognize the courage, commitment, and profound hope that has brought us to this momentous
School of Peace and Democracy, Bangsamoro, paaralan ng pag-asa, katarungan at pagbabago. Mula sa laban, ngayon ay serbisyo, SPD ang gabay sa lider na
Nung nasali po ako sa SPDB, I am one of the youngest participants. At dahil doon, mas naging active leaders po ako. Para pagka-graduate ko, ay babalik ako sa community namin na may alam ako at may maitutulong ako. I can share all my learnings, experiences, and knowledge, especially the specialization tracks I choose.
And now, as part of the peace process, this time as knowledge seekers and now graduates of the SPD Bangsamoro, you are proving once more that you are ready to lead our communities towards peace, inclusive governance, and moral leadership.
Allow me to present to you the 2025 SPDB graduates, an overall of 350 graduates. Congratulations, pagpalain Bangsamoro!
Democracy, Bangsamoro, paaralan ng pag-asa, katarungan at pagbabago. Mula sa laban, ngayon ay serbisyo, SPD ang gabay sa lider na to.
I highly commend the Moro Islamic Liberation Front and the Development Academy of the Bangsamoro for bringing the School of Peace and Democracy program for the Bangsamoro possible, supporting the development of our Mujahideen and making sure that no Bangsamoro will be left behind.
School of Peace and Democracy, Bangsamoro, sandigan ng bayan, pag-asa ng mundo. Mula sa laban, tungo sa paggaganse, tanglaw ng Bangsamoro sa pag-asenso at
Kapayapaan ang aming hangarin, demokrasya sa puso'y patuloy na aawitin.